In this video we will discuss the different types of learning and the ARCS model for learning motivation. Benjamin Bloom identified 3 different types of learning, and they are cognitive, which includes mental skills, problem solving and knowledge; affective, changes in feelings or emotional responses, also known as attitude; psychomotor, which covers manual or physical skills. Trainers often refer to these categories as KSA, knowledge, skills and attitude. They can be thought of as learning goals for training, in that after a learning experience, the learner should typically have acquired new skills, knowledge and/or attitudes. Okay, now we will move on to John Keller's ARCS model of motivational design. According to this model, there are 4 steps for promoting and sustaining motivation in the learning process, and they are attention, relevance, confidence and satisfaction. All of these are known as the ARCS model. So let's walk through them one by one. Attention. In order to train someone, you must first get and then maintain their attention. Attention can be gained in 2 ways, through perceptual arousal or inquiry arousal. Perceptual arousal uses surprise or uncertainty to gain interest, while inquiry arousal stimulates curiosity by posing challenging questions or problems to be solved. Methods for grabbing the learner's attention include use of active participation, where you adopt strategies such as games or role play or other hands-on methods to get the learners involved with the material or subject matter. Variability, use of different types of presentations such as videos, short lectures, discussion groups or role play. Humour, you can maintain interest by using small amounts of humour, but make sure it's not too distracting. Incongruity and conflict. A devil's advocate approach can be very powerful, in which statements are posed which go against the learner's predisposition. Use specific examples, stories, case studies and other real-world references where possible. Inquiry. Pose questions or problems for the learners to solve. You could use brainstorming, games or even competitions here to motivate the learners. Now let's talk about relevance. In order to increase a learner's motivation, relevance must be established. That is, why should they take the time and energy to develop the new skills or insights? First of all, it's very important to use concrete language, examples and terms which are familiar to the learner. You must enter into the world they operate in. Keller identified 6 main approaches to establishing and promoting relevance, and they are: build on experience. We best learn by building on the existing skills and experience we have, so make sure to tell the learners how the new learning will build on their existing skills. Present worth. Show the value the subject matter will add to the trainees. Show future usefulness. How will the subject matter help them in the future? Needs matching. Take advantage of the intrinsic human needs for achievement, risk-taking, power and affiliation. Modelling. Human beings are designed to learn from each other. Lead by example first, but also use strategies such as guest speakers, videos and peer support. Choice. Allow the learners to use different methods to pursue their work, and where possible, let them choose how it is organised. It is important to build confidence in the student in their ability to take on and ultimately use the new learnings. Make sure to help the students understand their likelihood of success. If they feel they cannot meet the objectives or that the time or effort is too high, their motivation will decrease. Provide objectives and prerequisites. Help students estimate the probability of success by presenting performance requirements and evaluation criteria. If there is prerequisite knowledge or experience required, make sure it is clear. Use step-by-step learning. Allow for small steps of growth during the training process. Provide feedback and validate success where appropriate. Allow the learners to feel some degree of control over their learning and assessment. Satisfaction. Learning must be rewarding or satisfying in some way, whether it is from a sense of achievement, praise from a senior, or simply entertainment. Make the learner feel that the skill is useful or beneficial by providing opportunities to use the newly acquired skill or knowledge in a real setting. Provide feedback and reinforcement. When learners appreciate the results, they'll be more motivated to learn. Make sure not to patronise the learner by over-rewarding easy tasks. So to summarise the key elements of this video, there are 3 different types of learning. They are knowledge, skills and attitude. In order to motivate people to learn, you can use the ARCS model, which stands for attention, relevance, confidence and satisfaction. That's it for this video. Watch out for our next video where we'll be discussing learning styles.